What's up, guys? Welcome to NTV. My name's AJ Huffman and this is my crib. Alright guys, so first things first on the van, the exterior. And at the front, I am thinking putting some bull horns, because why not? It doesn't have a name also, so if you guys have any suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I was thinking Betsy, but who knows? And come around this side, it has this nice extended top, which I really like. It wasn't a deal breaker finding a van that had that, but I like to be able to stand up, and I'm 6 foot tall, so it definitely helps. And you can see the paint, it's not perfect. I'm thinking maybe having some friends go crazy, design, maybe wrap it, not entirely sure. And really only other thing is the solar panels up top with a max air fan and a latch to get to the top. That's about it for the outside. Alright, you guys seen the outside. Now let's check out the inside. Alright, first things first, let's check out the back. So we go over here. This whole table, it swivels, it comes apart, and actually turns into my bed. These cushions, they slide. Under here, this slides out and rest right there on that wood. So my electrical is right over here in this outlet, which I use for charging my phone. I haven't really tried anything that takes up too much power, so I'll let y'all know how that goes. And the drawers, they have magnets that latch on there. Up here, these have magnets right here. However, these other ones on this side actually have the hydraulics to hold them up, which I like. But with the weather change, these ones had cracked and weren't working. Over here, we have the light, which is probably one of my favorite things because you can adjust it and it fades up and down. And that was one thing I really wanted with the van, was lights that I felt like were sturdy. And now the ceiling, closer look at these lights. These are, you can see how flush they are and really well integrated. And I forgot to mention up here, the escape hatch, aka roof access to, sit up there, have some coffee or whatever, tea. Over here's the max air fan that I mentioned outside. And you just have to replace the mesh on those every now and then. But other than that, this runs off of the solar panels, so as long as there's sun, there's power. So that is basically all there is to it. This is AC, however, it only runs with the car running, so that's a downside. But that's basically all it is up there. Over here is where I keep my fridge. A little bit of a tight fit, but there's nothing in there right now, so I'm going hungry. And we have the sink over here, which is great. You're probably thinking, why is there no faucet? Well, that's because it has a foot pump, which I think is one of the coolest things possible. And anyways, moving on, we have stove right here. The burners, it's a propane stove and oven, and the propane goes right in there. Anyways, I think that about sums it up, other than, forgot, we got curtains, and I put some sun shields in the back. But other than that, I think that sums up the back pretty well. Let's check out the front. Alright, and working our way up to the front, we have our floor to ceiling doors, aka curtains, which are Great for camping or camping in parking lots when you don't want people looking through your windshield watching you sleep. So definitely happy those are there. Over here we have a swivel seat, which if you watch van life a lot, you know that that's something people love, and I love as well, because more seating, more people. It has roll-up windows, not much electronics up here. The cool thing, probably the coolest, is this storage, which I don't know what its purpose was, but I'm sure I'll find a good one for it. And yeah, that's basically all it is for the front. Alright guys, that about wraps up the video. Thank y'all for watching. Please drop any video ideas you have, because I'd love to hear it, whether that's making music in the van, going traveling certain places, shoot me your ideas. And if you like the music you heard in the background, that's my song. I recorded it with a friend, and the link is in the description. And thank y'all for watching.